as a follow-up to my upgrade to the triple gauge cluster here, I got it all swapped out. It was great, but then I was noticing that the DTC, I was getting a code of B2201, no communication with traffic MasterModule. And come to find out, it was the OE cluster. It had to be plugged in to clear that code. I plugged it in, it all worked, and I thought about maybe mounting it down in the glove box area, behind it, in it. I didn't really like that, so I actually found a way to mount it right here behind the seat. Just pulled out this plastic panel and drilled out some holes, installed it. Now I have a clock. Now I have my old voltmeter, and it's been great. The code's gone, and I think it's kind of a nice feature.